Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. Don't forget to give it a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends and subscribe my channel. And now let's start. First of all, let's fold the paper in half. Just make sure that all edges are lined up and flatten the paper down and press it down. Okay. And then unfold the paper. Next step, let's start from this edge, fold it to this edge, and then repeat the same fold for this side. So let's do it. Just do slowly and you will be able to make it look cool. When you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Press down the paper. Press it down. Very good. Now I will turn the paper over and I start from this crease or the intersection. I'll match the tip to this side and I'll match the tip to the intersection of this and this crease. So basically fold the same. Okay. First start the paper and then unfold the paper. Now let's flip the paper over and match this crease to the center crease. And of course I pushed it part down to create the just push that part down. Okay, so that is what we have so far. Looks very good as well. What can we do next with this? Now let's adjust it, make sure that both sides are even. Okay, and then at the very end of the paper airplane, let's fold this side up. Let's estimate about a half an inch. So very simple, just fold it up like half an inch like this, or 1.5 centimeters. Just fold it up, and then flip the paper over. Alright, so let's fold the paper, curve the paper up until you see the edge here. So use that as a reference to fold up. Okay, so this is what you have. Perfect. At the very end, let's match this edge to this edge to create an elevator. So just do it, or a stabilizer. When you finish one side, let's repeat the same fold for the other side. Does it look good? Okay, let's adjust it a little bit more. Let's move it to the center so that you can see it. Okay, and then what will be next? I will turn the paper over. Make sure that I fold this side back in here. I'll fold it back. I'll just match the tip to this side. Okay, I'll match it to here. Estimate about 1 inch along this edge and fold this part down. Okay, and then unfold it. Next step is very simple. Just fold this side of the paper up and repeat the same fold for the other side. And press down the paper. Alright, and then I fold the top part down again. And next I will match this. I will open this flap, insert it into this pocket, so put it in here, and then repeat the same fold for the other side. Okay, let's open the paper and then insert it to this side. Okay, let's fix this. Let's fold it down and then insert it in here. And press down the paper. Next, just flip the paper over, so we will have two small elevators or stabilizers here. Flatten the paper down. Okay, make sure that you flatten this one down too. At this side, let's fold down to create another stabilizer. This is very important because now this part of the plan will stay up. That's why we need to fold this to make it stay stable. Okay. So fold it down and repeat the same fold here. Fold it down. Alright, so this is what you have. You have stabilizers here, and you have stabilizer here as well. Okay, looks very good. Next step, let's fold the paper in half. Okay, let's match this corner to this tip to create the wings. So very simple, just do it. So after you do that, flatten the paper down hard and repeat the same fold for the other side. And here you go. So this is what you should have. Make sure that you flatten this one down hard. Same thing here. And your stabilizer should stay straight up like this for both sides too. So stabilizers should look like something like this. Flatten down the paper. And at this part of the paper, you can create another stabilizers. So I will forge down to create another one. Same thing for this side. I'll create another one. Okay. And make sure that you press it down hard. And adjust the wings as well for the wings down. Okay, so that it stay even. And here you go. This is a paper airplane. And here you go. This is a paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making it. If you do, give the video thumb ups, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you next time.